Wow, Wells having much interest on Terra Classic. We talked about we did a video before where we talked about Wells. We believe that Wells will have interest on Terra Classic. I did another video where I talked about Wells already having interest. Now, yes, Wells are one of the biggest investors in crypto industry. Yeah, they control millions of dollars on crypto industry, and they have over 100 coins. Now, these guys, they invest so much on coins. Now, Wells are planning a mega investment on Terra Classic, and I'm happy because with this recent investment they want to invest on Terra Classic, it will help LNC to burn more coins. It will help LNC to get more popular. Now, having Wells investing on Terra Classic is what we want. It's what we have been dreaming of, because Wells, they have really helped so many coins. They help Shiba Inu also. Remember when Shiba Inu market cap was trading between 25 to 30 million dollars. Wells alone invested over $6 million on Shiba Inu. Now, remember when Shiba Doge market cap also hit about $16 million when it just started. I don't believe when they started. After a few months, when Shiba Doge was launched, Wells invested about $7.2 million for a coin that have a market cap of 16 million. You can see how far this Wells can really go for. You can see how far they can really invest huge amount of money on a particular coin they trust. So for me, I think yes, and I believe if Wells is about to invest on Terra Classic, don't be surprised to see Wells pumping in over 20 to 30 million dollars or even $50 million. Though I know that they might be going towards $5 or $10 million investment on Terra Classic, and it's good if we see Wells coming in for Terra Classic, because it shows that they must have done their homework and they must have discovered that Terra Classic is one of the coins that can really increase in price. And I believe with Wells investing on Terra Classic, we are definitely going to have other Wells, other investors, other billionaires, and then groups of investors coming in for Terra Classic, because they believe Wells have already done the work. Wells believe on LUNC, definitely they will be believing on Terra Classic. So for me, it's a good thing to have Wells, because I'm expecting over $5 million, $10 million to $15 million investment from Wells. And of course, imagine Wells buying Terra Classic worth of $15 million and the 1.2% tax bond is charged. Then we will definitely be burning a lot of coins from that investment alone. That is why we need a lot of money to be flowing into Terra Classic, and of course that will also contribute to Terra Classic market cap being increasing, because I believe with Wells, with the effect of Wells from other people investing on Terra Classic might gain over $30 to $40 million more market cap, or even $15 million more market cap, which will further push Terra Classic market cap to increase, and it will help Terra Classic within the next few months. So I'm happy for Wells. I'm happy to see Wells are getting interested on LUNC coin. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.